interpretation and application of Article 175 and 195, the Speaker ought to have informed the governor that indeed the opinion of the House and the Speaker is that they have the powers to summon. Only then would the governor be in a position to seek further advice and make a decision on whether to appear or not. In any case, Mr. Speaker, sir, let us interrogate the contempt of assembly count, assuming that indeed the county assembly had the powers to invite the governor before it. How did this form the basis of the impeachment motion? The impeachment motion itself is dated 16th of October 2023. All the members in support of that motion signed the motion of impeachment on or before the 16th of October 2023. The records will bear me witness. The count that forms the basis for contempt of assembly is based on the report by the JLAC committee. That report was not tabled, debated, and adopted by the House until the 17th of October 2023. Indeed, the mover of the impeachment motion first tabled the impeachment motion, then thereafter the JLAC report was tabled, discussed, and adopted. How then did a motion that had not been tabled before the House form the basis of impeachment in a motion that had been prepared a day before tabling? Mr. Speaker, sir, my humble submission is that this is not a count that ought to have found itself in the impeachment motion. On that basis, it is defective. Having said that, I will go straight to my closing remarks so that the House can proceed to its next business. And I'll begin by just asking a question. Why are we here today? The members of the County Assembly, elected and nominated, council representing the governor, the Honorable Speaker, why are we here today? Now, the County Assembly, and I do not wish to lecture you on your mandate, you have three main roles. One is legislative, second is oversight, and the third one is representation. You are seated here today representing 45 wards of this great county. Therefore, whatever you say, whatever position you take must be that which has been given to you by your people. So as you sit here, ask yourself, am I speaking for and on behalf of the people who elected me? Or am I speaking on behalf of other voices? If you're not speaking for your people, then you have failed in your representation mandate. That is a question that I will leave for your conscience and interrogation. Of course, we are not here for any legislative business because we are not passing any laws. So I'll not talk about your legislative role. I will go straight to the other role, which is oversight. Oversight is a daily, it's a routine duty of a member of County Assembly. And today is one of those rare moments when a County Assembly exercises the harshest form of oversight. That is, discuss the impeachment of a sitting governor who has been elected in the same manner as you. Now, are we here to impeach the governor? Are we here to impeach the governor? I am glad that you've said that, because it means you failed in your role. You are not here to impeach the governor. You are here to interrogate whether the governor is guilty or not. So if you came here with a formed opinion that you are impeaching the governor, and I'm glad you say, yes, you are here to impeach the governor, then how are you expected to interrogate issues fairly and render a just determination when you've already formed your mind that we are here to impeach the governor? It simply means that we have gone out of our oversight role and taken a stand when we are supposed to be a quasi-judicial body interrogating facts. My reading of Section 33 and 181 of the Constitution says that you shall look at the grounds for impeachment, that you shall interrogate the facts, that you shall give the governor a chance to be heard. Only then will you form an opinion whether you're going to impeach or not. So can we surely say that we came here with an impartial mind, sitting as an impartial court or quasi-judicial body? Are we ready to listen to the facts, interrogate them objectively? But your answer was that we came here to impeach the governor, which is not what you're here to do. You're here to interrogate, then render a judgment. Just to demonstrate that fact, and perhaps that will be my last bit. So then, what are you expected to do? You cannot take a stand as a house. The only person who is supposed to take a stand in this motion is the mover of the motion.